Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim a $10,000 free funded account that you can use to start trading without having to make any deposits. Now, this account is not a competition account. It is not a competition account. It is a real account, and I'll be showing you how you can go ahead to get started with this particular account. Before I continue, please do well to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Now, to get this particular account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of the video. Take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join. Then you can now go ahead and click on the link that will bring you right to this interface. Now, the next thing you're going to be doing now is to click on the menu button right here. You click on the menu button, and after that you click on challenges. Then after clicking on challenges, this is what you have right showing on your screen. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is the account to be getting. This is the account to be getting. As you can see, it is a two-step account, a standard account, and you can see the account size is $10,000. And as you can see right showing on the screen, the coupon code has been applied. As you can see, the coupon code has been applied. So now the account is originally for $110, but because of the coupon code, you'll be getting this for exactly $0, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on continue right here to get the account. So after that, all you have to do is just finish the details right here, put in the necessary details, and you go ahead and click on get free challenge. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is my login details that I'll be using to trade. This is my account number and my trading password. Now you have to save this, your login details. You have to save this credentials till when this particular account will be active, will be very active. If you notice, if you click on go to trade right here, you will notice that this is what you have showing on your screen. This platform is going to be active September 1. In the next 28 days, that's when the account will be active. Now, I'm making this video now so you don't miss out on this particular opportunity, so you can get started, keep your login details, and once this particular platform launches, you can now go ahead and get your account. So please do well to get started so you don't miss out when this particular account come live. Do not forget, in the next 28 days you'll be able to trade this particular account. As you can see right here, when you click on your dashboard, this is what you have. You see that the account is already active. The account is already active. All you have to do is just wait till the launching day and you can get started with this particular account. And as you can see right showing on the screen, they also have a competition going on right here. In case if you want to join, I'm just showing you this particular one. So you can go ahead and click on join competition now for further update. As you can see, the competition will be starting on the 15th of August and the entry is free. So this is the details. They only have 4,840 participants right now, so you can still join if you want to. As you can see right showing on the screen, these are the prizes they'll be giving up from the 1st person to the 30th person. These are the prize, and this is the tournament rules and guidelines. So you can go ahead and read it carefully so you know what it is that you're signing up for. As you can see right showing on the screen. Now this is basically all you need to know concerning this particular account. Now let's move to claiming the next account, which is the 1K free profit account that you can use to start trading with. Now make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on how you can get started with this particular account. Now once you click on it, it will bring you directly to this page right here. All you have to do here is to register an account with them. As you can see showing on the screen, all you have to do is just put in your country of residence, your email address, click on send code. If you don't click on send code, you will not be able to get the code. You click on send code and you'll be sending the code to your email. So once you click on the code, put in the password you want to be using to be opening your account, your phone number, and the referral, which is optional. You can choose to leave the referral. Then after that, you agree to their consent right here and click on register. So after clicking on register, then you get to the page where you have to log into your account. So this is me after I've logged into my account, and as you can see right here, there are different programs that are available on this platform. As you can see, the first one right here is saying for the app only. So if you are going to be getting this particular account, this one step free challenge, you have to download the app. So now let's move to the next one that we are in for today. As you can see, the next one is this 1k free challenge right here, and it's a 2-step free challenge, as you can see right here. So we're going to click on start free challenge. I'm going to click on start free challenge right here, and as you can see right here, you see the currency is USD and the challenge type is 2-step. If you notice right here, you see that the $1,000 is showing 0, so it's definitely a free challenge. So I'm going to scroll down and agree to the following terms and conditions. Here is our leverage, as you can see, and the platform you'll be using to trade is a MetaTrader 5. So you go ahead and agree to their following terms and click on free challenge right here. So after clicking on it, this is what you have. You click on the method, which is your 0 USD, of course. Then you go ahead and proceed to payments right here. And as you can see, this is your login details, your information. This is it right here, and you only have 29 days to go ahead and trade this particular account. So for you to know the details and the login information, all you have to do here is just click on this detail right here to know the details concerning the account. So I'm going to click on it, and here we have the details of the account right here. As you can see, today I started the account, and here your today's permitted loss, that's your daily permitted loss, is $50. You must not make a daily loss of $50, and your maximum permitted loss, that's the maximum loss you can make for this account, is $100. Making more than $100 loss on this account will make you lose the account. So this is the terms and conditions you need to follow. And as you can see, you have the minimum 4 trading days. You have the minimum of 4 trading days, 4 days to trade on this platform. Don't forget, your maximum daily loss is $50. Then your maximum loss for the overall account that you'll be trading is $100, and your profit target is $100, as you can see right here. Once you are able to follow these terms and conditions right here, you'll be able to withdraw from this platform. Now let's get to our login details that we'll be using to trade in our MetaTrader 5. So all you have to do now is to click on login info right here. You click on the login info right here, and here you have your login details. As you can see showing on the screen, you have your login details that you'll be using to trade in your MetaTrader 5 right here. So all you have to do is just copy your information, of course copy your login and your password, head to your MetaTrader 5, then you'll be searching for the broker, which is Verifiedster server. That is the name of the broker that we'll be searching for. Now let's head to our MetaTrader 5. Now this is my MetaTrader 5. Go ahead to search for the Verifiedster server. As you can see right here, this is Verifiedster, and the server is already showing Verifiedster server. So I'm just going to put in my login password right here, my login details, and I'm going to click on login. So this is me after clicking on login, and as you can see right here, my $1,000 is already credited to my account, and I can get started with the trading right here. So click on trade, and here you have your $1,000 to get started with on this platform. So all you have to do is just go under quotes, pick in the pairs that you'll be trading, go ahead, and this is your charts shown right here. And don't forget, I've been able to tell you the terms and conditions for making withdrawals. Your daily loss should not be more than $50. Your maximum loss in your overall trading should not be more than $100, and your profit target should be $100. And also you have the minimum of 4 days to trade this account. You can trade for 4 days and more, but the minimum days you have to trade for this account is 4 days. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and also do not forget to subscribe on this channel. Make sure you like the video, and also comment from where you're watching from, so I can make a video for your country, so you don't miss out on how you can make money online